write as much she didn't write. And the 1940s, like it's just hectic.
Sophia, why does it sometimes seem then as though Jamaican lawyers, take longer to disburse funds than the UK lawyers?
So whenever attorneys are setting up accounts, the amount that is our daily limit is usually based on the size of the firm, right? Okay. So larger firms, their daily limit right off the bat, you can imagine is going to be very high. For medium-sized firms and for boutique firms like mine, our daily limit may not be so high. And so if you don't, to avoid things like people hacking your account, etc., you want to make the daily limit be a moderate amount. So if the sale is, say, 30 million and 30 million needs to go to the client, but the daily limit is only 15 million, somebody has to go to the bank, explain, where all of this money is coming from, and then get the appropriate sign-off from our bankers. So that can be a whole production sometimes. Yes. So it's not that we are lackadaisical, but because of how much we have to demonstrate to make sure that we're doing everything above board here. And the reality is we operate within an ecosystem that has challenges, and Jamaica is, steadily growing to improve our public perception. We are managing fraud, etc.